What's up, Phoenix? It's a beautiful day outside. Look at that. It's an awesome tree. It's a Japanese maple. So anyway, I have been dying to use my new helmet. It's a perfect day today. See, the sun is shining. It's November, and I need to ride a bike. Just gotta ride a bike. As many sunny days as we have in the middle of the winter, I gotta be able to ride as many as I can. Because pretty soon it's gonna be way too cold, windy and wet, gross, until like March, and it's only November. This is beautiful. Okay, Papa, I'm here, Clayton, ready to go. And it's kind of windy. You never know what's gonna blow by. So let's try to see what we can do. Yo! What? What was that? What's that? What happened? Yeah. Right, Josh. Right, Josh. Goodbye. Slow down. Yeah, we're good. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, that was nice. That was super nice. All right. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I did it. Woo! Yeah, I'll be right there. Come on, no, don't. Oh, pine needles. pine needles. Come on! Oh! Yeah. Hopefully, because last time I couldn't do it because I was. Woohoo! Yes. Yes. You're good, man. You're good. We got the right of way too. Okay.
Made it. Rain tomorrow, next day.
All right, Papa. I hope you liked this video. There's rain check, and that's the one thing that I always tell you is, hey, you might not be like super duper good right now, but stay at it, keep trying, do a little bit every day, and that's what he did. He couldn't do this before at all, and now we just put in 3.5 miles, and that's a lot. By springtime, he's gonna do like 5-6 miles, you know, keep on going. You gotta keep it up. Practice, 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 and do your exercises. 10, 10, 10.